Okay, so let's start with an example. If you had an expression and it said 1 minus 3x squared plus 4xy plus x squared plus 5y squared. Let's start with question 1. How many terms are in this expression? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 terms in this expression. Question 2. Name the constant terms. So remember, a constant is something that does not have a variable. Which one of these terms does not have a variable? 1. 1 is the constant term. Question 3. How many like terms are in the expression? So to find out how many like terms there are, let's look at it. Do we have any other constant terms besides 1? No. Do we have any other constant term? Do we have any other x squares? Let's see. I see an x squared here and an x squared here. Do we have any other xy's? No. Do we have any other y squares? No. So the like terms in this expression are negative 3x squared and x squared. Okay, so those are the ones we're going to combine. Next question. What is the coefficient of the term xy? So let's look at xy. The coefficient is always the number in front of the variables, and that number is 4. So the coefficient of xy is 4. What is the coefficient of the fourth term? Which one is the fourth term? 1, 2, 3, 4. If there is no number in front of the variable, the coefficient is always 1. The coefficient for the fourth term is 1. And lastly, let's simplify the algebraic expression. So up here we determined that the only like terms were x squared. So everything else we just bring down. So we can do that. So we bring down the 5y squared, we bring down the 4xy, we bring down the the constant 1. Now to combine negative 3x squared and x squared, that means negative 3x squared plus x squared. Now I'm going to look at just the coefficients. Negative 3 plus 1 on a number line. If this is negative 3, to add, I have to go to the right. Plus 1 will give me negative 2. So when I combine negative 3x squared and x squared, I get negative 2x squared. And this is our simplified algebraic expression.